Here's integrated 3. It's problem 10-11. It says the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 13 and the 17th term is negative 29. What is the 8th term? So I was going to, I don't know, I looked at it and at first I was just going to try to figure out, you know, what's the difference between these two and what's the difference between these two. And then I thought it would be easier on me to just write them as ordered pairs. So I wrote this one as 3, 13, and this one as 17, negative 27. And then I'm just going to think of it, because I know it's kind of like subtracting the same amount each time. I'm going to think of it as y equals mx plus b, or as a linear equation, because that's what arithmetic sequences do. So I went ahead and just used my old slope formula, you know, like the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, to find out what the common difference was. So I just took the ordered pairs and put them in the slope formula, and I found out that it's subtracting 3 each time. So that's why it's getting smaller and smaller. And then I just used y equals mx plus b. So I just used one of my ordered pairs. So I used 13 for y and 3 for x, and I solved it for b. And then I got that b was 22. So now I have like a slope-intercept form, but we like to write them as sequences. We use ends. And then we've had some debate in class whether you want to, like 22 is a 0th term, but really the first term is going to be 25. So you could write it either way. I felt like it's easier to do calculations with this because it's a little shorter. We've been asked to find out what the 8th term is. So I'm just going to plug in for x, I'm going to plug in 8. Or, well, for n, I'm going to plug in 8. So I went negative 3 times 8 plus 22, and I got negative 2. And that's it.